Did you know that Lake Superior has a certain number of dead bodies in it, which means that we're all okay with swimming with a certain dead body to water ratio? The more you know.
It's not a fun fact about Lake Superior. That's just lakes in general.
Yeah, but Lake Superior especially.
Do you have any direct involvement with any of the dead bodies?
No.
Rocking a hard place, it's battery control. What am I waiting for? Seaplanes are beneath my compass, my transport.
What are we doing?
Did you take it from her or did she leave
Doing
it
good.
in the car? I left it in my car after
We're in Presque. It's Friday. It's sunny and 60. First time the sun's popped out in the whole
8
week.
years.
Makes life of a difference.
Woo! That boy makes you feel alive. I'll take a pass. I'm going this way. Come on. Come on.
All right, so we were flying the drone, Clay's drone, and his phone died, and that is the controller, or part of the, oh, there's some foxes. Look at these foxes. Can you see those? Are they focused? Hey, little guys. What's up? There's 3 of them. There might be more. Aw. I wish I was better with this camera. And I'm still figuring out how to focus and stuff. And I'm barefoot too. Quite the mess. Let's go find those little guys. Okay, take 2. Clay lost his drone, or rather the phone battery died while he was flying it. So we saw it land somewhere across the bay, and we're gonna go try to find where that is. All right. Oh, we're in no trespassing.
Counting line, I'm counting down mailboxes until my house. This place had a heartbeat in its day. Vale bought the mountains and nothing was the same. Yes, the boys are drunk, the sun is high. Their license plates live free or die. But it just ain't that simple. It never was. We'll drink to New Year's, then they'll leave me to clean up. One day I'm gonna cut it clear, ride like Paul Revere. And when they ask me who I am, I'll say I'm not from around here. I'll leave before the road crews out, for those joggers looking way too proud. And I'll turn up the music, and I'll forget until it ends that I'm not ready to let go yet. One day I'm gonna cut it clear, ride like Paul Revere. And when they ask me who I am, I'll just pretend I didn't hear. It's typical, I fear. Folks just disappear. And when they ask me who I am, I'll say I'm not from around here. I'll say I'm not from around here. But I'm in my car, and I see the yard, the patch of grass where we buried the dog. And the world makes sense behind the chain link fence. If I could leave, I would have already left. But I'm in my car, and I see the yard, and the patch of grass where we buried the dog. And the world makes sense behind a chain link fence. If I could leave, I would have already left. I would have already left.
Can I throw this away? Your explosive espresso chip cookie?
Yeah. Are we sure that's $5 worth?
One arm's load.
I know. Should we get a little bit more?
We could. Might break my bag.
That's decent. What'd we get?
We got some Hershey's milk chocolate. We got the graham crackers. And we got not just regular marshmallows, but expired ones, so they're 50% off. What a steal. Oh, it's right up there.
I think we did have neighbors. They were leaving.
They parked on their far side, we're on our far side. So it's far.
Yeah. They space them out pretty well, which I like. Did they have a store in here? They didn't. Sometimes they sell stuff. Good. Paul's here.
Oh, there's a rocket mush. There's a Rocco in my Choco.
Hey friends.
Hey gang.
Hey friends, it's me.
Welcome back to our channel. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
So this is actually the first YouTube video. It's gonna be on my channel.
Yeah.
So for this trip, we rented a U-Haul. We wanted to all fit in one vehicle. We needed extra space, so we got this U-Haul, which we've named Paul Revere. Kai's gonna take us on a tour.
Yes, sir. Named after Noah Kahn's new banger, Paul Revere. So here we got all the sleeping and clothes and whatnot on the left side. And on the right side we got all our food and coolers and stuff that we cook with. In the back we got another cooler and
Spacious.
all the random stuff. You can see it back there. We got some boogie boards to swim across Lake Superior to go climbing. No, yeah, it's very spacious in here.
That's what she said. Hey, so this is how we boil water. As you can see, we've put water in our metal water heater, and we poured it in there, and if you look closely, it's heating. To get to a proper boiling for our tea, we drink reishi tea from Marquette. Bye for now.
Marquette
Are we
Food
still
Co-op.
rolling?
Get off of me. It's kind of getting chilly.
Okay. I'm just gonna put this right here on the side.
Stop. I look like an absolute wanker.